Hello friends, good morning. My name is Mia Mohammad Shamim. I'm originally Bangladeshi but work in Singapore. I have more than 5 years work experience in Singapore. So 2 days ago we are my behind obviously. We are dismantling this scaffolding platform. So today have to be clean all. Is in all shifting that side. Hello friends. Some have still haven't dismantling is all shifted after we have to this is also dismantling. This area is Portland, Singapore. Today date is 4th August 2023. Yes, this is fourth story, fourth floor. This is all dismantled. Today is all shifting. Then we are and this all shifted. We have to. This is also dismantled. Thank you, friends.